Good morning, friends, and welcome back. So today in Michigan, it's about time to start our seed plants. And I'm going to start these inside for the ones that take a long time to get to maturity. So like for that, I will be doing my tomatoes. I will be doing some bell peppers. And I'll also start my watermelon inside. So just recently, we got our package in from Little Feet Farm Homestead. She sent us a nice variety pack of stuff. A bunch of heirloom seeds, the Moneymaker tomatoes came in it. It's a nice little pack of seeds. I'm going to start these inside today. But my first step is to get a stand for them to stand up on. So I need to build my shelf. I take it down every year. It's not something that I like to keep up because it does take up some space. It's a very simple thing. I actually quite like it. It is a tubing assembly for a miniature greenhouse that I got from Tractor Supply one year. But so this is what we like to use. All we use out of it though is the shelving. And then if I want to, I have the option to take it outside and have it in a miniature greenhouse while it's still chilly out. And then I can open it up to the outdoors on the warm days. But what I'll do now is I will just set it up, place it near the window, and get up my pots. So we're gonna jump into that. Stick with me and have a good time. So as you can see, it does stand about 5 feet tall. It does have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves on it, okay? And you can take out the bottom shelf and put it up to the top. But with the way I have it set up, you can do it quite nicely with having your plants start progressing as they get bigger. You'll have plenty of space. And as your plants progressively get bigger, you will have plenty of space for any tall plants to go up here onto this top shelf. And it's very easy to set up. And when you want to put the greenhouse plastic on, it just slips on. So then I would have my plastic on, and all I'll do is I'll just leave the door open on it. You have the option to tie this to it down at the bottom. So you can tie the plastic down here at the bottom. Okay. So that way your plastic is nice and secured all the way down. So when you do move it outside, you would want to make sure you have plenty of weight on the bottom rack That's going to keep the whole thing from tipping over. I have seen these where they have fallen completely over and it's just ruined all the plants. But if you put it in a non-windy spot and you place some heavy objects on the bottom, you should have no problem with it staying upright. I'll show you right here what I mean. I'll show you right here what I mean with you just tie it down at the bottom. So right here, you have ties in your corners, and you just simply tie it around, and it does a really good job at just keeping that from blowing around. Okay, so if I were to move it outside when the weather gets a bit warmer, I shouldn't have any issues. And there is one in the back corners as well. Okay, so there is one in the back corners as well, and now I'm going to start seeding my plants. Okay, so I had one spill. Apparently I didn't seat the tray right here. This one right here. Didn't have it seated right. It must have been bent up a little bit. What happened was when I set the tray on there, it went all over the floor. So picked up most of my dirt. Luckily, when it fell, it just kind of stayed there. But I did have to make sure that my watermelon plants had seeds in them. then I just added more seeds to the tomato plant's dirt. So got plenty of seeds in them. They should all germinate now. I'm just gonna spray them down and clean up the mess that happened. And to spray these down, it's just really easy. You just take a spray bottle. Just take a spray bottle and yeah. Get the soil nice and damp. Alright. I'll redo the top while I'm at it. These are all the pepper plants, the bell peppers. We like bell peppers just to eat them and cook them and cook with them. So we can get some pepper plants going. That makes it great. So I hope you enjoyed this, especially with the times that are going on right now. You're gonna want to have some sort of garden going. You can grow vegetables inside, certain ones that don't really need pollination. They're self-pollinating. So, you know, you get a big enough pot. I got one down here. That big one right here. Right there. That one is big enough that if I wanted to, I could put something in it and start sprouting off of that for like cucumbers. And you could leave it in something like that, but it's not going to help the plant. You'd want a 5-gallon bucket. I've done it myself in a 5-gallon bucket before. So you could always do that. Just get a pail from Home Depot or Lowe's. And what I did was I did a layer of gravel on the bottom. And that was just to separate the dirt from the bottom of the bucket so that the water didn't sit in the soil all the time. And then I did put a drain hole at the bottom of the bucket, so that's what I did. And that was when we lived inside the city. So, just food for thought. You guys stay safe. May God bless you and your family, and we'll see you next time. Take care.